Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting, focusing on the United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coins. Specifically, we'll explore the 1989, 2005, and 2006 coins without mint marks. These coins have gained attention in the collector's market for their unique characteristics, rarity, and historical value. You'll understand why these coins are sought after, how their condition affects their worth, and their current market value in dollars. Let's get started. First up, today we're diving into the fascinating story of the 1989 United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin without a mint mark. Could this coin be worth more than you think? The 1989 UAE 1 Dirham coin features a classic and recognizable design. On the obverse, you'll find the traditional Arabic coffee pot, known as the dala, symbolizing hospitality in Emirati culture. The reverse side displays the denomination in Arabic and English, along with the year in both the Gregorian and Islamic calendars. What makes the 19891 Dirham coin without a mint mark interesting is its relative rarity. Mint marks usually indicate where a coin was produced, and their absence can sometimes signify a unique batch or production anomaly. Collectors prize such anomalies, and that can drive up the coin's value. Well, regardless of how you like to grade, forget the coins for what kind, because they are not all created equal. There is a gold medal graded coin that shows it there's poorer to mint state. A fine condition coin means it shows moderate wear with key design elements still visible. While this isn't the highest grade, it's better than heavily worn coins. Let's talk numbers. In today's market, the value of the 1989 UAE 1 Dirham coin without a mint mark can vary widely based on demand. This coin is typically valued between $600,000 and $1 billion. However, exceptional examples, or coins with provenance, could fetch higher prices in auctions or from private collectors. If you think you have one of these coins, check out online marketplaces like eBay or specialized numismatic auction sites to get a better idea of its current value. The 1989 UAE 1 Dirham coin without a mint mark is a fascinating piece of numismatic history. Next up today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting and discussing the 2005 UAE 1 Dirham coin in extra fine condition without a mint mark. Stick around to discover its current market value and what makes it so special. The United Arab Emirates introduced the 1 Dirham coin in 1973, and it's been a staple of their currency system ever since. The 2005 version of the coin is particularly interesting because of its design, composition, and the mystery surrounding its value in the collectible market. On the obverse, you'll see the iconic Dala coffee pot, a symbol of hospitality and tradition in the UAE. The reverse features the coin's denomination in Arabic numerals and script, as well as the United Arab Emirates, written in English and Arabic. Why are we talking about the 2005 version in particular? Well, coins from this year, especially those in extra fine condition without a mint mark, have become quite sought after by collectors. There are three key factors that influence a coin's value. The 25 1 Dirham without a mint mark is considered relatively scarce, which increases its desirability. When we say extra fine condition, we're referring to coins that show minimal wear. Details are sharp and the coin retains much of its original luster. If your coin fits this description, you might have something valuable on your hands. The value of a 2005 UAE 1 Dirham in extra fine condition without a mint mark can vary depending on the buyer and the platform you choose to sell it on. In 2024, these coins are typically valued between $500,000 depending on their exact condition and rarity. Coins in uncirculated condition can fetch even higher prices. This coin recently sold for $10,000 on an auction site. proving that collectors are willing to pay a premium for high quality. There you have it. The 2005 UAE 1 dirham coin could be worth much more than its face value. Next up today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting to talk about a specific coin that has caught the attention of collectors worldwide. The United Arab Emirates 1 dirham coin from 2006 without a mint mark. If you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about valuable coins, stay tuned because this one might be sitting in your collection or pocket right now. The 2006 edition of the 1 dirham coin without a mint mark is particularly notable. These coins are distinguished by their lack of a mint mark, which is unusual and adds to their rarity and appeal in the numismatic community. Most coins have a mint mark indicating where they were produced. The absence of a mint mark on the 2006 1 dirham coin suggests a possible production anomaly or limited batch. How much is this coin worth in today's market? The value of the 2006 1 dirham coin without a mint mark varies depending on its condition and demand. In fine condition, the coin typically fetches around $600,000 in online marketplaces like eBay or specialist coin shops. Very fine to extremely fine condition, coins in better condition can command higher prices, ranging from $800,000. If the coin is in uncirculated condition, meaning it shows no signs of wear, it could sell for $200,000 or more to serious collectors. The 2006 UAE 1 dirham coin without a mint mark is a hidden gem in the world of coin collecting. Its rarity and potential value make it an exciting find for collectors. If you think you have one, take the time to evaluate its condition and consider having it professionally graded. Whether you're looking to sell or simply add it to your collection, this coin is a fascinating piece of numismatic history. If you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on rare coins and collectibles. Also, let us know in the comments if you've come across one of these rare collecting items, and even more of it if you can shed some light on the work of the YMCAS Meforma. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!